Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the magnetic eyelashes that my wife purchased. So previously she purchased the Injuvi and it was quite expensive, 100 something plus. So this one's from Amazon. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So I think it's about 20 something bucks compared to 100 something. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then check it out. She bought a CD, COLDPLAY, Moon Music. I'm not sure why everything is on the YouTube now that you can listen to. I don't know what they designed. This sleeve is so hard to take it out. Oh. I'm sure it's gonna scratch it. Also, I'm gonna put it this way because there's a slit right here where they glue the paper together. If you put it in that way, it's gonna scratch it. That's why they put it this way. I believe this is the song titles. So yeah, that's that. So this is magnetic eyelashes. This is a 2 premium soft magnetic per lash strip. So hopefully the manufacturer is from the same company that was selling quite pricey. So 1 pair, 4 pieces, magnetic eyelashes, 1 piece of magnetic applicator. So yeah, the case look almost the same. And this is a applicator. Looks almost the same too, but so there's a up. So yeah, hopefully this one is not used. There's somebody's makeup on there or something. Let's open this up and check it out. So the mirror looks new. So there's one, this is the left side, right side. So when they're magnetic like that already, so you gotta separate them with your fingernail. You gotta insert it in between the upper and lower lashes. So this one has a blue dot is the top, red dot is the bottom. Oh, this one is much better. You see it better than the expensive one. The expensive one is the white one that was on the bottom. So this one is blue and red. And make sure it's curled up that way on the bottom as well. So yeah, it's curled up. And then you're gonna put it right here, the magnetic. And then that's it. So yeah, you will need to try and error for a couple times. And once you get the hang of it, should be easy to apply onto your own lashes. Okay? Oh yeah, before you put this on, you have to use a eyelashes curl to curl up first. Or else your eyelash is gonna point it downward, which is not gonna work. And so your eyelashes like this, you insert it, and then you I'm not sure. Oh. And once you sandwich together, make sure you hear click, and this should stay on your lashes. and make it look longer and thicker. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.